So what does it cost to have antique furniture professionally refinished? Hello, my name is Robert. I own Daily Woodworks. We build custom furniture serving the state of Texas and beyond. One of the questions I get a lot is, can I refinish and restore antique furniture? The short answer is yes. That's one of my absolute favorite things to do. I love antique furniture. It's a great value. It's wonderfully made. Let's preserve it and keep it going. But the unfortunate truth is that a lot of times it's going to cost you much more to refinish it than what you paid for it either at the antique store or a garage sale. For example, I had an antique secretary desk that a customer sent me some pictures of, asked me what I would cost to strip it down, refinish it, and repair it. All said and done, I have 20 man hours to strip it down, fix it, sand it, stain it, seal it, and do all the things. It's going to cost about 20 hours of labor to do that. Now, carpenters range between anywhere from a skilled woodworker is going to charge you anywhere between $50 to $100 an hour. I fall right in the middle of that. About $80 an hour is what we charge here at my shop per man hour to do what we do. But if you look at it at 20 times $50 an hour, that's $1,000. If you look at it 20 times the 80 I charge, that's $1,600. So you're looking anywhere from $1,600 to $1,000 to have this piece of furniture refinished. Now, you might have only spent $200-300 at it at a garage sale, at a flea market, or at an antique store. So a lot of times it's just not worth it to you to go through that work. The great thing is I have another website called the recreationalwoodworker.com where I teach people the skills that I have so that they can build great furniture themselves. So if you're willing to put in some elbow grease and spend a few weekends, taking that old furniture back to its former glory is a very rewarding pastime. And of course, if you do have something that is of great value to you that you would like professionally restored, you can go to our website, dailywoodworks.com, and we would be happy to talk to you about getting that fixed up for you. Thank you. Have a great day.